when you open up the template, this is what you're going to see. 7-day breathwork journey, your daily dashboard. Over here, these are your session buttons. Whenever you're ready to practice, depending on the day, you come, you click the button, it's going to open a pop-up and it's going to give you 3 different videos to choose from. One's going to affect your sympathetic nervous system, which is going to give you energy. One's going to affect your parasympathetic nervous system, which is going to relax you and regulate you. And the other one is around just overall energy cleansing. He'll explain more in the video. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. So this kind of reduces the overwhelm and you have 3 different techniques to choose from. You can go on, play the video, finish your practice. And what the button does is essentially tracks that session for that day. And then when you're ready for day 2, just come on here and you click day 2. Another thing will pop up and that keeps happening for the 7 days. The reason this came on the same day is because when I click the button, it records it on the day that you clicked it. So ideally, you're clicking it on the following days. I can just move that over there. And then this graph will show you your sessions over time. And as you keep practicing, the graph will keep growing. And at the bottom, I've got a video index of loads of different breathwork techniques, and I've organized them based on different categories. And you can browse this in your own time. I enjoyed organizing this. It's also for me, so that I can come and depending on what I want, I can choose the practice. And that's pretty much it. Once you hit the 7 days, if you want to keep using this template to track your sessions, you could totally do that. All you have to do is come on here and press the plus button and enter your session number. And again, you can choose from 3 techniques or any technique from the video index at the bottom of the template. You can also record multiple sessions per day, which is going to affect your graph and show you your growth over time. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Momentum is so underrated. I swear down, dude, momentum is like a superpower. When you really build momentum behind something, there's this incredible energy that pulls you to do the action. And that's why I've named this template the 7-day breathwork journey, because just practicing every day for the next 7 days is going to create that initial set of momentum. And that, along with the tracking, is going to help you really set the tone and make it more consistent in your life. You can finish 7 days and realize that, okay, maybe this is not for you. But if you've been watching and you're watching right now, I'm pretty sure you want to make breathwork more consistent in your life. So yeah. If you are following me on Instagram, I'm going to launch this template as a group challenge. So you get to meet like-minded people who are also practicing breathwork and who want to integrate it into their life. It's a good way to make new friends and connect with like-minded souls. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe. I'm dedicating this channel to Notion templates that help us live a more mindful life. I've been practicing this stuff for the last 8 years, and honestly, I've felt absolute bliss. It's like, holy shit, I need to share this with the world. And so that's what this YouTube channel basically is. Yeah, man, might catch you in the next one.